What's up guys, my name is Shawn Connors, and in this video, I'm gonna give you one reason, that's it, one solid reason why I think that you should buy an investment property because it can change the trajectory of your future and your retirement. I know there are a lot of issues right now with the real estate market. You have high interest rates, no inventory, very high inflation, and a lot of people are deciding not to make big purchases, which I think is smart. But what I don't think is smart is not purchasing real estate. What I want to do, what my goal is with this channel is to help empower people to get started investing in real estate, and it all starts with one. It just starts with that one property, and I want to break down for you how one property can really change everything for you. So we're going to focus on buying just one property, and that one property that you purchase can cash flow. Even if it's $100 now, that is going to be $100 more per month than you don't already have. And I'm not saying that you should use that money. You should definitely keep that aside, keep that in an account that just continues to accrue, because you're going to have to make repairs throughout owning the property, right? But just buying that one property, that first property, as the years go on and the tenants are in place year after year after year, they are paying down your debt. And eventually you'll get to a point where that debt is paid off. And now you have this hard asset where if it's 20, 25, 30 years in the future, that property will be worth hopefully close to double what you paid or more, right? So if you focus on buying a $300,000 property now, and then in 30 years, you have this asset, it's paid off, it could be worth $600,000 or more. So if you focus now on getting that first property, and that means that 20, 25, 30 years from now, you have this asset that's worth $600,000, there's so much you can do with that now. It's going to increase your savings for your retirement. You can borrow against it, buy more properties if you want. Hopefully you are buying properties throughout the years, but you can see that if you can focus on just getting that one property now, that your future self is going to thank you tremendously. And that will change the trajectory of your future, of your finances. So stop thinking about how do I amass such a huge portfolio, and just think about how do I get that first property now, because I know that once I get the first one, it makes every other one much easier than that. So if you want to get started investing in real estate, you need some advice, you want to work with someone who knows what they're doing, has already been there, then make sure you reach out. Look forward to speaking with you soon.